Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawudlala against iSikhukhune United. Le game bafethu ibaluleke kakhulu for ama team omabili. Remember Orlando Pirates isiudlalile imidlalo emibili lapho khona Orlando Pirates ishayile iSikhukhune ku first leg yayo ininayi MTN8 semi-final. Manje ke bawudlala inina bawudlala second leg. Last game bayidlalile ade bedlala igame eBetway Premiership lapho khona sibona Orlando Pirates iwina ngo-2-0 kwigoli la Radio Bane negoli labane na negoli lakhe uOzuna Police. Le game ke sithathe yodlalwa iyona game le ebalekile because if one of these teams ewina iwona azoya kuphi na azoya kwi-final yayo MTN8. Orlando Pirates ke inayo iadvantage kule game because they won on the first leg bedlala le Polokwane bewina ngo-1-0. So going to this game iPolokwane City kumele yenze sure not iPolokwane City iSikhukhune United kumele senze sure ukuthi ke sikora maybe ke 2 goals sibe nayo advantage against yona Orlando Pirates siyinqobe lo mdlalo lo. Orlando Pirates on the other hand bona ke akumele benze ke izinto eziningi. Yes, Orlando Pirates ke is a home side. I don't think Orlando Pirates will choose to defend. I know for a fact Orlando Pirates will choose to attack. And now, so iSikhukhune United, they have nothing to lose. They don't need to defend. They need to attack Orlando Pirates. So, kuzoba kwi game emnandi indlela isimanga ama team uma2 I know for a fact azobe ejahana ngempela. So, Cedric Kaze nezakhe ngizobe nje zifuna ukuyinquma impela Orlando Pirates. So nayi ke mina ke i-lineup prediction engayikhetha ungangixeki ngitshele nje wena yakho kuma comments ke ngabe ithini eyakho i-lineup prediction for yona le game lesoyidlala against iSikhukhune wafa ngitshele kuma comments. Angifuna ukuqamba manga choosing this lineup. It was very very difficult for me but ke ngibonile ukuthi ke if we are going to keep on playing against iSikhukhune bazogcina sebesibona ukuthi ke sidlala kanjani. Mase ke ngashama few touches kuyona i-lineup le engizoyikhetha. Remember ke there are many players who are back training with the Orlando Pirates. So ungathuki ke mubona some of the players engiba includeayo kuyona le lineup prediction le. We've played 2 games against iSikhukhune United. So sebeyabona ama weaknesses ethu, sebeyabona futhi ke nama strengths wethu. So kumele sishintshe lapho nalapho, singashintshi kakhulu but ke sishintshe lapho nalapho but keep the same momentum of the team. Ngizoqala nje epalini, you know the situation ya goalkeeper bafethu Sipho Chain, the best goalkeeper in South Africa by far. Yabo uyena goalkeeper ke ozoqala against yona inina iSikhukhune United. So far umshito usekhipha ama clean sheets amabili iSikhukhune United asikakamnikeza inkinga kulama games lawa amabili sithathana kuphuma kona. I'm hoping for another clean sheet against yona iSikhukhune United njengoba siyodlala home in front of our fans kuzobe kuyi weekend. I'm sure ama fans azobe gcwele kuzobe kugcwele ngempela. Asazi ukuthi ke ifinal uzodlalwa apha abakasitsheli but ke so far abajida bawudlala ama semi-finals. Goalkeeper wami Sipho Chain masukuthi ke the center backs I don't want to change a lot. Sibangani Zulu played very very well last game but ke I'm bringing back ubani na Sibisi provide that leadership in the back, so I'll play him with yena uSiyema. I know for a fact uZulu ke with uSiyema they provided a clean sheet last game and they didn't make any mistakes. Even yena ke uSibisi beno Siyema they don't make any mistakes, so I trust them at the back ukuthi ke basazoqhubeka bayibambe ziqini because I know ukuthi ke iSikhukhune njengamanje wasiyoyidlala le game sizofuna ukuyicindezela ngempela Orlando Pirates. So nje sifuna ukuyicindezela akumele sifake abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala abanjengoZulu because uZulu if ever enza mistake against iSikhukhune United Orlando Pirates ke iphuma kungaba ipressure inkulu kakhulu leyo ku coach bamloke bemgxeka ukuthi ke why umdlalo njengosibisi owaziwa ngempela ukuthi ke uyadlala ngempela the former defender of the season Orlando Pirates ingadlalanga because 2 of these players they've won a defender of the season. Yabo lo sasana kuyiwina okuba nina uSiyema masukuthi ke uSibisi sasana kuyiwina eyakhe ngale ya season. So abashida about 2 they know what to do at the back, so I trust them both. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs I know abantu abaningi they will come for me. Vane, why are you sitting down? Obani now Dion Hoto scored a very very beautiful goal against iSikhukhune the other game. Guys, we have to make room for ubani now Neo Rapo. Neo Rapo is a very very good player. Neo Rapo bafethu I wouldn't say uNeo Rapo deserve ukudlala. uNeo Rapo deserve ukudlala. So uDion Hoto usedlale 2 games. usedlale 2 games against uSikhukhune United. I feel like right now we need to make room for uNeo Rapo, but ke kuzoba nzima for uNeo Rapo to break through kule lineup Orlando Pirates because we have another player who's very very good, comfortable at that left back position okuba nawo kuNdaba. So mina ngokubona kwami I'll choose yena uNeo Rapo because unama crosses amnandi engiwadingayo laphana ka left. uNeo Rapo uyakwazi ke adlala ibhola ashaya ama cross. That is what I like about him. Uyakwazi ukuthi push forward, take on ama defenders, akwazi ukudlala ibhola. That is what I like about him. Uzokwazi ke as provided the same service provide ubani na uyena uDeon Hotzer. I don't want to speak a lot about uSibelebele. Uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe defensively, offensively umjida ke uyawenza umsebenzi. Uyayibamba nje iqine ngempela. But ke we need competition yakhe umjida ke angabi comfortable kakhulu. Matuludi kumele abambe ingcingo sisheshe ke siyithole ireplacement yakhe ubani na yena uSibelebele angabe comfortable kakhulu uSibelebele ngikoze ebona ukuthi ke abekho abadlali vele singashintsha ngaye ngabo. Kumele nje sazi ukuthi ke ndoda akwazi uhlala unethezeke kwindawo yakho. Bakhona abadlali abasengakureplacer if ke uhlala unethezeke wenza ama mistakes. So I trust him umjida ke to do his job laphana ka right back. Masukuthi ke abadlali abazodlala isiswini bafethu, you know the current midfield. You know the current engine of the Orlando Pirates. I spoke about Umthetheleli Mthiyane. Many people were saying, Vane, why do you want to defend all the time? Why do you want to play a center? Why do you want to play a CDM? Guys, I know Mthiyane. And it's crazy because a lot of people right now, they are praising Mthiyane as if coach, I spoke about this guy. I said if we give Mthiyane the chance, uzoyibona istability esoba nayo. Remember the first 2 games esiwadlalile without a CDM, we looked very very poor. And I told people we are poor in that middle. We need a player who is going to hold that midfield, who is going to balance everything in that midfield. We introduced Tubanina yena Mthiyane ezodlala alongside Mokobodi. So far the players were very very good and they are very very good so far. So I trust them going forward up until our main players get back into their full fitness. Singesazi ke the coach will have a lot of issues if abadlali abanjengombatha, abadlali abanjengoMakhehleni Makhawula, Sihle Nduli come back, because I don't think kukhona okuzobahlalisa phansi labo about 2. Maybe ke Namtajela you can make your shout between yena noMokoboti. I think uNamtajela sengamhlalisa uMokoboti. Maybe you can tell me in the comments, do you think uMokoboti usengahlaliswa uNamtajela ebenchini? Singisazi, but uNamtajela uyalazi ngempela ibhola. Ngeke ngithiwe ngempela ukumbona emhlalisa kule game izoqala. Masukuthi ke kuma wingers bengifuna ngempela ukuthi ke aqale ubanina uMsindami as ke i-right winger, but ke angikho happy kuba khona kwakhe uMsindami kule right wing position. Angazi noma mina yena, but ke banako ukuclash abenalo benosibelebele yabo leli side langa linako ukuclasha kakhulu. So ngithe athi ngiyishintshe le side, ngathi cha aqale banina aqale uOzwin Apolice laphana ka right. Yabo nje ezoqala ka right Ozwin Apolice, unumber 10 kuzoba ubani na? Kuzoba uyena uDlamini, ngimdlalise as number 10 kuyona le game esoyidlala against iSikhukhune United. Yes, you heard me right. uDlamini bafethu ubuyile, he has been training with the team isikhathi eside kakhulu. So why not bring him umjida ke aqale as number 10 why Orlando Pirates. We've been giving uMasilela ithuba eliningi kakhulu ukuthi ke adlale as number 10, but ke so far we have our own number 10 okuba na kuDlamini okhona fully fit ukuthi ke angabuyela egroundini aqhubeka adlale. Angifuna ukumfotha kakhulu phela ke uma elimele, but ke mina ngokubona kwami I think uDlamini uya deserve ukuthi ke abuyele enkundleni asuke nje kuma stand. Masukuthi ke i-striker, the main striker bafethu so far esescorelile last game, mina ngokubona kwami uyena uRadyopana, but ke I know the coach will play uMbuthuma in that number 9 position. You will never know, maybe ke you will see Haaland starting this game. I would really love to see Haaland eqala le game just to see ukuthi ke uyena umjida ke ngabe usiphatheleni if ke eqala i-match, because so far we have been seeing yena uHaaland engena mhlawumbe ke as isub. Yabo igame siyophela sekhishwa Ozwin Apolice bonke abadlali aba-creative. So I would love to see uHaaland eqala le game le, but ke mina ukubona kwami ngento engiyibonile regarding uRadyopane ngingamqalisa against iSikhukhune. You can tell me in the comments wena ukubona wakho isiphi scheme ongasiqalisa against iSikhukhune. This is my lineup against iSikhukhune United.